Kajing Pentraya ke Building Meghalaya Information Technical Society Kelaya Chakmat balakmi dan tibo anla pendap hobna leber arhaja arpui kenang baganlong kajing mentoy gi samla kajala. Ya kanila pentip do ba Hamletson Doling Menteri Ketenaga Information Technology Joka Sarkar Jala harian kajingwan jurib yaka kesengi balang ringkar ki officer ketenaga IT ki bor naka company ki bapentraya kani ka project bar ki way. Ya kani ka building ha kajaka ka ba arpo ekar tam ha sauli lamang tingka lai pesan klur tingka ban pendap bat pentraya da ka Badri Rai and Co Construction Limited. La sedang man pentraya ka ha benai no pra jong kesnam aja khat pra. La peruan duri kani ka building do ba JKG. Ubah Hamletson Doling ulo ang bakamu menteri kuat bakandon kajing pestet menteri kani ka project bar usau komen bagi officer ketenaga lem na kaliang ka construction company kila pentip bagi kajing menteri kala poi syaka nyo 4%.
Di nedo basang tu gila kuat rupa kadi ke project kerja benda hak por apa jika sukuman sipune apa ngayo banwan mata sih ni man i rejinga cepat juga kam kuat apa dengan tang bakat prakak lai benaru ke kam mata lep la kembah nyuhu persentam kasa amta sedang ka finishing bat le sila da kam don kajing thut na kani kajing wan juga covid-19 ibat kani kam la dep sasi mai arnai dikejengdan joni ka COVID-19 pada kelapun sukino ya kene kam dari kameli ki bro ini abi renti bat mentang warni ngawan cukup i perfect dan sudah bat ngelai keren ru bat ki kontraktor bagi oh ya dika building ni kan sama pada no apo primars pada dengan jungaru banjur bahpo primars iban pendep no ya ini project bagi jangan hidal jong kumni ngakwa man batak sai ba namkwa bagi project ki ba kum kini kin sating kumlang tang ki wewe ki project kadi project wasang hakpor jonga pada kwa ban peda bu hakpor ka jonga kum minister charge ni ka department berka ba concern ya ka ba kwa ban pendap ya ni ka project buling ni kolong ba kadi project kan ya subur man aikam jam ya ka sama ka jungi
Nakaliang Anuj Bansal, Director ka Badri Rai and Co Construction Company, ulay thu bah ka basdang jo kajing tray galadon kajing thut, Henry Menta kalaya chakman.
Till today, we are getting full support from department and from all the levels, from the right from the minister and every person. And the phase is like when we start this project, there was some local thing which we managed, and department also helped us to overcome. And then for last 1.5 years, we are not having any problem with the local and everything. And only due to this pandemic, we faced various problems of the skilled labor and all. Because now at this stage we need all the finishing work is left, and as of now we need all the skilled labors. So now right now the government has given some policy to bring the skilled labor from outside. So we have given the letter with all the documents of the person to the department also, and they are following it. So maybe we will get the permission by next week. So all thing will be neutralized within 10 days.